whip, bought it, whip, got it, got on it. Did I ever ask you to take me to go shopping in Paris or go?
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year only.
Alright guys, so let's just jump straight into the video. So today's video is in collaboration with Luvwin hair. So this is their packaging and these are the goodies that they did go ahead and send me. But let's talk about the star of the show. So today we're going to be installing this body wave highlight wig. So bomb. All the details on this hair will be down below in the description box. This is the structure on the inside of the wig. I did go ahead and pluck the hair in off camera, but the knots were honestly already bleached, which was perfect. I love a wig that is just easy and quick and just gives. Okay, so as you guys can tell by my thumbnail, I did go ahead and do a deep side part. So I'm just getting my hair nice and party how we want it. Okay, we want a nice deep side part. So I'm gonna take my Sheets Balm wax stick and I'm just going to work that all over the part. We really want to get this part nice and flat and just, you know, smooth and even and just the whole nine. Okay, here I'm going to take my hot comb and I'm just going to now hot comb everywhere we put that wax. So everywhere we put that wax stick, we're going to take the hot comb, we're going to run it through nice and slow, making sure we just get it nice and every piece of hair is just in place. So after it looks like this, nice and flat, I'm going to go ahead and push this back. We're going to take my 91% alcohol and I'm going to clear off my forehead. So you want to do this step so you know you don't have any oils on your head or any makeup. And today is a glueless install. So instead of using like my normal Ghost Bond glue, I decided to only take a little bit of my Even Lace spray and just use that as some type of like meltdown, but not necessarily glue. Okay, so after I put the blow dryer on a cool setting and made sure my Even Lace spray got sticky, I'm literally just going to push this wig right on top. Literally no glue. Yes, adhesive spray, but no glue. And I'm just going to, you know, just blow dry it because this is a glueless install, so I do want to make sure that it's not going to go anywhere and I'm not going to be, you know, have my wig fall off or anything like that. Okay, so yeah, I'm just pushing the lace into that spray with the comb and I'm taking my blow dryer and just, you know, blow drying it on a cool setting. And then here is an extra step. Honestly, I don't advise you to do that, and I'm going to talk about it a little bit in a few seconds why I don't want you to do that. So this was just so I could feel more secure and more safe with my wig. But honestly, I feel like you can just do multiple layers of your Even Lace spray or your Gots to Be glue spray rather than spraying the top of the lace and the hairline. So now we're getting to the cutting, and this is why I said not to spray over top. Do you see how I have to take my rat tail comb, go under my lace to kind of lift it off of my skin? That spray is not very precise and direct, so it's going to spray all over your lace and it's going to kind of adhere everything down, which makes it hard to cut off the excess lace. So if you're looking for like an easy install, an install where you don't have to use any glue and like mess up your edges or anything like that, I would say just spray down directly on your skin, let it dry till it's tacky, and then put your wig down. But I cleared up that like white stuff all over my forehead with some alcohol, and then I put the spritz so it can really melt down. And this is what we're looking like after we tied it down with our elastic band. Look at that. Hold on. Yeah. Huh. Someone said scalpiana. Yeah, very much scalp. Luvwin hair. Bomb.com. This wig literally was coming out of my scalp. It is sickening. Like, I love it. It looks so good. So I'm pulling out my edges and I'm just tweezing them just to make sure they're nice and thin and nice and fluffy and airy. I'm gonna cut the edges at an angle just like that. And now we're gonna take my hot comb. This is a 1/2 inch flat iron and I'm going to curl the hair downward. I found that it's easier that way when I'm, you know, laying my edges down, and I just like the look of it. So if you're ever wondering if I should go up or down when I'm, you know, using my mini flat iron, I would always say go down. I love it. I love it so much. This hair is just so pretty, guys. I just love it. Okay, anyways, now I'm gonna take the mousse. You can use any mousse that works for you to tame your edges. However, make sure alcohol is not an ingredient in there. If it contains alcohol, you will deal with your lace lifting. I did not know that. Every time I would use mousse like all the other girls, I'm like, why is my lace lifting? And that was why. So when you take the mousse that doesn't have any alcohol, you know, you just do your, I like to do my edges kind of like in a C shape. As you can see, I'm moving like in a backward C shape. And then my edges just come out very, very pretty. And then here, I'm literally like, just, you can see what I'm doing with the hot comb, but I'm just kind of like pushing the hair back so the edges can really just show, if that makes any sense. So I didn't want to cut the hair, but I did frame the front of my hair to my face because I did want to do some barrel curls. Now, you guys know I am a flat iron curl to the day I die. I feel like flat iron curls are so pretty. They're so easy for me. Like barrel, if you could do barrel curls, you could do anything, girl. Because this is a little hard for me. Like, I have to always kind of remember how to position my hand. Yeah, I was in my vibe because I knew this hair was going to be so cute. But barrel curls is a little bit more challenging for me. But I kind of figured it out. As you guys can tell, I figured it out. So if you guys do want a barrel curl tutorial, you guys can definitely request that down below in my comments, and I will do it for you guys. But yeah, basically, you know, I just start at the tip of the hair, or not the tip, but the root of the hair, clamp it, and just roll it away from me until I get all the way to the tip of the hair. And then once I get to the tip, then I roll it back up just like that. So yeah, barrel curls is a little hard to explain, but there's thousands of videos on YouTube. And if you want to know how I do it personally, like I said, just ask me. So yeah, this is why you do want to, if you're going to do these type of curls with a flat iron, barrel, doesn't matter, you want to frame your face. So you want to use like a little bit of a razor or scissors and just kind of frame your face, because you see how this hair is a little bit shorter. It's just gonna look really, really cute and kind of give me a bang vibe. So I'm pinning it up just so this curl can sit how I want it to. I curl the rest of my hair off camera, and then here I'm just defining my curls. I meant defining my part. I'm sorry, y'all. But anyway, this is what it's looking like after I'm combing the hair out. Look at my makeup. If you guys want to see how I achieve this makeup look, definitely go check out my makeup tutorial. It's up. The girls loved it. Obsessed. They were obsessed. They loved it. So this is the hair. I recommend this wig so much. Luvwin, this hair is bomb.com. It's getting 5 stars out of me. I love it. If you want more information on how to purchase this wig, all the information will be down below in my description box. Make sure you join the team and just do it like Nike by subscribing to my channel. Give this video a big thumbs up, and I cannot wait to see you guys in my next video. Love you guys. Bye.